TIG welding, also known as gas tungsten arc welding, is widely used in pipeline construction due to its precision and high-quality welds. It is commonly used for root passes in pipe welding because of its ability to create clean and defect-free joints. The process uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode and requires an external shielding gas such as argon to protect the weld area from atmospheric contamination. This method is preferred in industries such as oil and gas, petrochemical and power generation, where high-quality welds are necessary for the integrity and safety of the pipeline system. In TIG welding pipe joints, proper preparation is crucial before starting the welding process. The pipe edges must be properly cleaned and beveled to ensure good penetration and fusion. Any rust, oil or contaminants must be removed using a wire brush or chemical cleaner. The fit-up of the pipe is also essential to prevent misalignment, which can lead to defects in the weld. A consistent gap is maintained between the pipes using spacers or tacks to allow proper fusion during the welding process. The choice of tungsten electrode plays a vital role in TIG welding for pipeline applications. For carbon steel and stainless steel pipelines, a thoriated or seriated tungsten electrode is often used due to its stability and long-lasting arc. The electrode tip is typically sharpened to a fine point to allow better arc control and precision during welding. The diameter of the electrode is selected based on the thickness of the pipe and the welding current required. The shielding gas used in TIG welding protects the molten weld pool from contamination. Argon is the most commonly used gas for TIG welding pipelines due to its excellent arc stability and protection properties. In some cases, helium is mixed with argon to increase heat input and improve penetration, particularly when welding thicker pipes. The gas flow rate should be carefully controlled to ensure proper shielding without turbulence that could cause defects in the weld. The welding technique used in TIG welding for pipelines depends on the position and joint configuration. For root pass welding, the welder usually employs a walking the cup technique, where the torch is moved in a controlled manner along the joint to create a smooth and even weld bead. The filler rod is carefully added to the molten pool to achieve proper fusion. The key to successful TIG welding in pipelines is maintaining a steady hand